Good morning, dear students. So today I am going to teach you chapter number 5, Anita and the honeybees. In our last video, we discussed about the little bit. We discussed about the Anita and the honeybee. In that, what we discussed, a dream of school. Now next, we are going to discuss about the staying in school. Please open your textbook and see on page number 14. Staying in school. So, as you all know that Anita, she is a very good girl, and the story is related to the true story and how she suffered and how she come back to such a kind of problems, and her wish to go for the school is also going to be success. Okay, so staying in school. Time passed and soon I completed class 5th. I knew that we would need to spend more in class 6. My parents said that it was time for me to leave school. So here Anita, she completed class 5. Now she wants to go in another standard 6. So for that she needs money. But here her parents, they don't allow to go for the study. So, but I wanted to study more. I found a way to do this. अभी अनिता के पास कुछ नहीं है. So she thinks that what can I do and how can I give, how can I get the money. So I started to teach younger children. From the money that I got, I was able to continue my own studies. So अनिता ने ट्यूशन्स लेना स्टार्ट कर दिया, and from that she gets money. One sweet memory. She wants to share some beautiful memory with us. So let's see the memory of Anita. I remember some older boys in my village also used to teach young children. They did not like it when I started teaching. They started to scold and scare the children so that they would not come to me. For some time, all the children except two stopped coming to me. But soon they all came back because I used to teach them with love and care. So in this, in your book, you can see also that Anita, she was teaching to the students. She is teaching, and then what happened? Anita क्या कर रही थी? बच्चों को सिखा रही थी, और वो जो सिखा रही थी उसके समय में क्या हुआ था? कुछ ऐसे बच्चे थे जो छोटे बच्चे आते थे उसको परेशान करते थे, बट अनिता ने हार नहीं मानी. And whenever she teach the students, she always used to try to love, to care, etc. Okay. Do you know someone who wanted to study but could not do so? Talk about them in the class. So yes, I know a boy who lives around my house. His name is Ravi, या फिर जो भी नाम हो. He wanted to study but could not do due to his family problem. He had to go for work in order to help his family survive. Although child labor is an so ऐसे कितने भी बच्चे ऐसे कितने सारे बच्चे होंगे जिसको पढ़ना होगा बट वो पढ़ सकते नहीं है due to the problem of family, financial problems, so many problems. So every child has a right to free education up to class 8. So this is the act. ये क्या है? एक नियम है कि हर एक बच्चे को 1 to 8 तक फ्री में पढ़ने की गवर्नमेंट सुविधाएं देती है. Do you think that all children are able to study up to class 8? Discuss. Okay, do you know what is RTE Act 2009? Yes, this provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years. ये जो एक्ट है उसके द्वारा क्या करते हैं? सभी बच्चों को पढ़ने की एक अच्छी सुविधाएं मिलती है. Slowly I started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. So now Anita, she started to talk with all parents. My parents also started helping me in my work. My mother used to do all the housework so that I could get more time to study. So now Anita's mother, she is also agreed with Anita, and she is helping to Anita that she can study well. No? Here the one secret she wants to share with you. A secret. I learned how to ride a motorcycle. I did not tell anyone. I fell down and got hurt many times, but I was happy. So हमें कुछ भी हमारे जीवन में सीखना है तो कैसे करते हैं हमें पहले हमारे से छोटी छोटी गलती होती है और फिर वहाँ से हम सब कुछ सीख के बाहर आते हैं. From school to beekeeping. There are many lychee trees in our area. So लीची का जो भी ट्री है वो कहाँ पे था? अनीता के एरिया में. हनी बीज आर अट्रैक्ट टू द लीची फ्लावर्स. और जो हनी बी मतलब कि मधुमक्खियाँ होती है वो कैसे अट्रैक्शन होती है? जो लीची के फ्लावर से उसे अट्रैक्ट होती है. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. उसके गांव में काफी सारे ऐसे लोग थे जो मधुमक्खियाँ को इकट्ठा करते थे और उसका एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे थे. I thought that I could also do this. So Anita here is also thinking कि मैं भी ये कर सकती हूँ. I joined a course run by the government to learn about this. So she started this course. I was the only girl in this course. याद है अनीता अकेली एक लड़की वहाँ पे थी. During my training, I found that honey bees lay their eggs from October to December. जो honey bees थे वो किस मंथ में दे रहे थे eggs? So October to December. This was the best time to start beekeeping. और ये जो महीना था वो beekeeping करने का बेस्ट टाइम था. क्या था? बेस्ट टाइम. Have you seen any insects near the flowers? Find out their names and write. So here you have to write the names of flowers and you have to write the names of insects also. Yes, I have seen insects near the flower. They are butterfly and honeybee. Okay, so now let's see on page number 42. Why do you think they come to the flowers? Find out. Now here you have to find out कि जो मधुमक्खियाँ हैं वो फ्लावर के पास क्यों आती हैं? They come to the flower to collect the nectar produced by the flowers. When honeybees fly, there is a kind of sound that you all know. Can you try to copy this sound? क्या आप वो भी sound copy कर सकते हो? Yes, they produce a buzzing sound when flying, and we can also try to copy that sound also. Okay, let's see the becoming a beekeeper. I completed my beekeeping course. इसने complete किया अनीता ने. Okay, so but I did not have a money to keep my own bee and star work. अनीता ने अपना कोर्स तो अच्छे से पूरा कर दिया, but she don't have a money to start a business. I continued to teach and with time could collect the 5,000 with this money. So again she started the tuition classes, and from that she is getting the money from the tuition classes. I bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. अनीता ने कितने बॉक्स खरीदे? 2 boxes. Each box cost 2,000 rupees. एक बॉक्स का क्या प्राइस था? 2,000 rupees. With the remaining money, I bought sugar to make the syrup for honeybees and medicines to clean the bee hives. So अनीता ने ये सब जो उसका पहले अनीता ने क्या किया? पहले उसने गवर्नमेंट कोर्स कर दिया, उसके बाद क्या कर दिया अनीता ने? पैसे नहीं थे उसके पास तो ट्यूशन क्लासेस स्टार्ट किए और वहाँ से मनी लेके उसने अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दिया था. So that was in September. By December, I had so many bees that I had to buy 2 more boxes. I was still learning about the beekeeping many times. So हम कुछ भी सीखने से पहले क्या करते हैं? उसको ज़्यादा सीखने की कोशिश करते करते हैं। सो द सेम वे अनिता इज ऑल्सो डूइंग। अनिता भी क्या कर रही थी, सीख रही थी कि बी कीपिंग का बिजनेस कैसे होता है। Many times the bee would sting me and my hands and my face would get swollen. So अनिता को जो मधुमक्खियाँ थी वो इसको काट रही थी, तो पूरा अनिता का जो मुंह भी था वो कैसा हो रहा था, सब यहाँ पे स्वेल हो जाता था। It would pain a lot, और क्या कर रहा था, पेन भी कर रहा था। How could I complain to anybody? और मैं इसको कैसे कंप्लेन कर सकती हूँ, क्यों, क्योंकि उसको ये काम पसंद था। I said I had decided to do this work. ये किसने डिसाइड किया था, अनिता ने। So dear children, in our next video we will discuss the